Hey, April back here with the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center, and as you see, David made this amazing dish, and what are we gonna do if we don't get to try it? Did it actually happen if somebody didn't eat it? So David, tell us a little bit what the final product is, and then I'm going to try it. We're going to see how it tastes.
Oh yes, April. First off, thank you so much for having me back here in the Georgia Power CRC. What we did today right now is we're celebrating everything Georgia and everything electric. So what I made here is a Georgia pecan crusted rainbow trout. The trout is from Georgia as well. And on top of that, we have a Georgia peach relish, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tangy, a little bit of heat in there from that jalapeno. So if you feel that sizzling in the back of your neck, that little tss, that's the jalapeno talking to you right there. Next to that, we have an arugula salad with that. We tossed with that, guess what? A Georgia peach vinaigrette. You're sensing a theme, right?
I do.
And in there, we have some thinly sliced Georgia peaches, some cherry tomatoes, a little salt, a little pepper. Toss that with the vinaigrette and the spicy arugula. And it's just a really balanced dish, very tasty. We were able to showcase the electric griddle and also showcase the induction stovetop. So I'm gonna let you jump right in there. Let me know what you think. I'm not gonna give you instructions, but I'll highly suggest to take some of the relish and take some of that nice crispy meat on there.
All right, let's do that.
Anticipation's killing me.
I know.
Yeah.
We got 2 forks here, so, you know.
I feel like a stay-at-home husband and I'm waiting for the approval of my wife. Been slaving all day. Talk to me, what are you tasting?
That's fantastic. Fantastic. I wish you could try this on camera, but I'm the lucky one.
The recipe will be posted, but the thing I love most about it is that the relish cuts through the fattiness of that fried skin on there, and it's just so good.
Arugula is my favorite
It's
lettuce.
so good, and it has that nice little spice and that earthiness with it. It balances really well with that vinaigrette. Give me some up top. Give me something. Now, you guys might not be able to taste it or smell it. You can definitely see it. Follow us on this amazing new chef series. The recipes will be posted, so stay tuned.